Hello students, welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, today we are going to learn about round off a number to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay, today we are going to learn about round off a number to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay children, what did we learn in last class? What did we learn in last class? Last class we learned about make the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. Okay. In the last class we learned about make the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. Okay. Let's revise now. Okay children. Listen. What is this number? 6. Okay. This number 3. Okay children. Next one. This number 7. Okay. So we take 3 digits. 7, 3 and 6. Okay children. First we make the smallest number. So first we have 3 digits. 6, 3 and 7. Okay. 6, 3, 7. First we make the smallest number. Children, first we will draw the place value blocks. Okay. So first place ones, second place tens, third place hundreds. Children, listen. 6, 3, 7. So first we make the smallest number. Okay. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest digit mark? Very good. 3. Okay. So 3 is the smallest digit. So 3 in the 100 place. Okay. Next we have remaining 2 numbers. 6 and 7. Okay. Which is the smallest number? 6 or 7? 6. So 6 in the tens place. Okay. So last number 7. So 7 in the ones place. Okay. The smallest number 367. So smallest number 367. Okay children. Next we make the biggest number. Okay. From the digits 6, 3 and 7. Next we will draw the place value box. Next mark the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. First we find out the biggest number. So 6, 3, 7. Which is the biggest number? 7. Okay. So 7 in the 100 place. Next we have remaining 2 numbers. 6 and 3. Okay. So 6, 3. Which is the biggest number? 6 or 3? 6. So 6 in the tens place. Okay. Last number 3. So this greatest number 763. Okay. Smallest number 367. Greatest number 763. Did you understand? Children, today I will introduce a clap. Okay. The clap name is bird clap. Okay. How will bird fly? Okay children. Very good. Okay. First I will do, then follow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay children. So today we are going to learn about round off a number to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay. Look at the slide now. Look at the slide now. So today learning outcomes round off a number to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay. Look at the next slide. Rounding nearest 10 or 100. Okay children. Next. What is this? Balloons. Okay, very good. So children, which color do you like? Which color do you like? Super, very good. I like blue color. Okay children, how many balloons are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So there are 10 balloons in this picture. Okay. See the next one now. What is this? Apples. Okay. How many apples are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So there are 9 apples in this picture. Okay. See the next one now. Children, there are 2 sums given. Okay. The first sum 52 plus 68. Okay. The second sum 60 plus 20. So there are 2 sums given. Okay. First sum 52 plus 68. The second sum 60 plus 20. Children, listen. Which sum will be easier to solve? Which sum will be easier to solve? First one or second one? Which sum will be easier to solve? Very good. Second one. Okay. So second one will be easier to solve. Okay. Children, sometimes we need find answers quickly. Okay. So we use simple strategy. Simple strategy is estimation. Okay. Simple strategy is estimation. So by estimation means guessing. Okay. Estimation means guessing. It does not give us the exact answer. Okay. But it definitely helps us calculate quickly. Okay children. Next one now. Look at the next slide. Rounding off or estimation. Okay. Rounding off or estimation. So round off is one estimation. Round off is one estimation. When a number is rounded off, it is called an estimate. When a number is rounded off, it is called an estimate. Okay. Look at the next slide. Rounding to the nearest 10. Children, rounding to the nearest 10 means finding which 10 they are closer to. Okay. Rounding to the nearest 10 means which 10 they are closer to. Okay. Rounding to the nearest 10 means finding which 10 they are closer to. Okay children. First step, we find round off to the nearest 10 using a number line. Okay. So first we take the number 12. Okay. First we take the number 12. Children, look at the board now. Children, listen. First we take the number 12. Okay. First we take the number 12. So 12 comes between 10 and 20. Okay. 12 comes between 10 and 20. Children, first we will draw the line. Okay. Number line. So this next mark the numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. So the first number 10, this line 11, next number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So we take the number 12. 12 comes between 10 and 20. Okay. 10 and 20. Children, listen. So we take the number 12. Okay. Which is closer to the 10? 10 or 20? Which is the nearest 10 mark? So this number 12. Okay. This side 10. Next side 20. So which is only one number. But in the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this side between 7 numbers, this side between 1 number. Okay, so which is the nearest 10? 10 or 20? So 12 nearest 10? 10. Okay, so nearest 10 of 12 is 10. Okay children, nearest 10 of 12 is 10. So in the left side between only one number. In the right side between 7 numbers. Okay, so the closer number 10. Okay, so nearest 10 of 12 is 10. Next one. Next we take the number 26. Next we take the number 26. Okay, 26 comes between 20 and 30. Okay, 26 comes between 20 and 30. So first we will draw the line. Next mark the numbers. So 20, next number 21, next number 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, this number 29. Okay, 29, 30. Children, listen. We take the number 26. Okay, so circle the number 26. Which is the nearest 10? 20 or 30? Which is the nearest 10? 20. This side number 30. So which is the nearest 10? Children, first count the numbers. Okay, so in the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, between 5 numbers are given. Okay, next right side 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right side between 3 numbers. Okay, children, first we take the number 26. 26 comes between 20 and 30. Okay, 26 comes between 20 and 30. So next we mark the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, next in the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 5 numbers. Okay, next in the right side 1, 2, 3. So between 3 numbers only. So which is the nearest 10? 20 or 30? Which is the nearest 10, ma'am? This side 5 numbers, this side 3 numbers. Okay, so which is the nearest 10? Very good, 30. Okay, so 26 nearest 10, 30. Okay, nearest 10 of 26 is 30. Okay children, look at the slide. Next one, rounding numbers. Okay, let's round number without using a number line. Okay, children listen, look at the next slide. How many numbers are given? Okay, so the numbers 0 to 9. Okay children, the first number 0. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so first we take the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, we take the numbers from 0 to 9. Children, next we divide into 2 groups. Okay, we divide into 2 groups from these numbers. Okay, look at the next slide. So there are 9 numbers. Okay, so we take 9 numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, we divide into 2 groups. The first group numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the second group numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, So we divide into two groups. The first group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The second group numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Children, now look at the first group. So first group numbers fully less than 5. Okay. First group numbers fully less than 5. Okay. Look at the second group. So second group numbers 5 and greater than 5. Okay, the second group 5 and greater than 5. Okay children, look at the next slide. Children, next one, round the numbers to the nearest 10. Round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. Look at the board now. So this question, round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, round the numbers to the nearest 10. The first number 23. Okay, the first number 23. Okay, the second number 46. Children, listen. This question, round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, round the numbers to the nearest 10. The first number 23. Okay, children, first we find out the nearest 10. Okay, so first we find the tens place. Okay, already we know the first place ones, the second place tens. Okay, so 23 two-digit number. Okay, how many digits in this number? 2 digit. Okay, so 23 two-digit number. The first place ones, the second place tens. Okay, so first find the tens place number. Okay, this question nearest 10. So first we find the tens place number. Okay, so circle the tens place number. Next, look at the next place now. So the next place is ones. Okay, next place is ones. So this place is very important. Okay, what is this number? 3. So 3 less than 5 or greater than 5? Number 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Very good. Less than 5. Okay, so 3 less than 5. So we write the tens place number 2. Okay, tens place number stays the same. Ones place number will becomes 0. Okay, this number is less than 5. So tens place number stays the same. Okay, if the tens place number stays same, ones place number will becomes 0. Okay, so 23 nearest 10 20. Okay, so this answer is 20. Okay, so nearest 10 of 23 is 20. Next one. What is this number? 46. Very good. How many digits in this number? 2-digit number. Okay, first digit, second digit. So 46, 2-digit number. Listen children. This question nearest 10. Okay, so this number 46. First we find the tens place number. Okay, first we find the tens place number. So what is the tens place number? 4. Very good. So from the right, the first place is ones. The second place is tens. Okay, so this question nearest 10. So first we find the tens place number. So circle the tens place number. Okay, so 46. ones place number 6, tens place number 4. Okay, circle the tens place number. Next, we look at the nearest place. Okay, nearest place in the right side. Okay, so right side place ones. This number is 6. Okay, this number 6 less than 5 or greater than 5? Number 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5 or greater than 5, ma? Very good. Greater than 5. Okay, 6 is greater than 5. So, if we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, so we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, next ones place number 6. So, this answer 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. Ones place number will becomes 0. Okay, so the nearest end of 46 is 50. Nearest end of 46 is 50. Okay, children listen. First number 23. Second number 46. Okay, this question round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, listen. So first find the tens place number. So tens place number 2. So circle the tens place number. Next we look at the ones place number. Okay, the ones place number is very important. Okay, this number greater than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. Okay, so this if ones place number is less than 5, so tens place number stays the same. Okay, so tens place number 2 same. Next ones place number will becomes 0. So 23 nearest 10 is 20. Okay, next this number 46. So 46. So circle the tens place number. So tens place number 4. Next we look at the ones place number. So ones place number less than 5 or greater than 5? Greater than 5. Okay, so if we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, so 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Ones place number will becomes 0. So 46 nearest 10, 50. Okay, next third one. Children, number 538. 538. Okay, listen. First find out the place values. So, what is the first place? From the right, the first place number 8. Okay, next place 3, next place number 5. So, ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, children, 538. The first place from the right, the first place ones, second place tens, third place hundreds. Okay, this question round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. So we find out the tens place number. Okay, circle the tens place number. Okay, so tens place number 3. So circle the tens place number. Okay, next we look at the ones place number. So what is the ones place number? 8. Very good. What is the ones place number? 8. So 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Very good. Greater than 5. Okay. 8 greater than 5. Children, listen. So this number greater than 5. So if we add 1 to the tens place. Okay. If we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, children. So next ones place number will becomes 0. Okay. So ones place number will becomes 0. This number greater than 5. So if we add 1 to the tens place. So 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. 100 place number stay the same. Okay. So 100 place number 5. So 5. Okay. So nearest 10 of 500 children, once again, this number 538. Okay, so first place ones, second place tens, third place hundreds. Okay, first we find out the tens place number. So tens place number 3. Okay, next we look at the ones place number. So ones place number is 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, so plus 1. Okay, next ones place number will becomes 0. 3 plus 1, 4. Tens place number stay the same. Okay, so this answer 540. So 538 nearest friend 540. Okay, next one. Look at the slide, ma. Worksheet. Rounding to the nearest 10. Okay, children, listen. A answer already done for you. Okay, so B. Listen to the B question. Children, listen. B number 76. Okay, look at the board. So A answer already done for you. So look at the B question mark. 76. Okay, next number 98. Children, this worksheet number 26. Children, listen. What is this number? 76. So first circle the tens place number. Okay, this one ones, this one tens. So this goes string, round the numbers to the nearest 10. So first circle the tens place number. So tens place number is 7. Okay, next we look at the ones place number. So ones place number greater than 5 or less than 5? So ones place number 6. So 6 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Very good. Greater than 5. Okay, so if we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. Ones place will becomes 0. Okay, this number 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So if we add 1 to the tens place. So 7 plus 1, 8. Ones place will becomes 0. So nearest 10 of 76 is 80. Okay, nearest 10 of 76 is 80. Next number 98. Okay, so this one ones place, this place tens. Okay, from the right, the first place ones, the second place tens. So circle the tens place number. So tens place number is 9. Okay, so circle it. So this place ones, this place tens. Next we look at the ones place number. What is the ones place number? 8. Very good. So ones place number 8. So this number 8. So this number less than 5 or greater than 5? 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Very good. 8 greater than 5. So if we add 1 to the tens place. Okay. So 9 plus 1, 10. Very good. 9 plus 1, 10. Ones place number? 0. Very good. Okay. This number greater than 5. So if we add 1 to the tens place. So 9 plus 1, 10. Ones place number will becomes 0. So nearest 10 of 98 is 100. Did you understand? Okay, children. Next D, E, F, G, H homework. Okay. Children, look at the next slide. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay. Listen. round the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, round the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, the first number 453. Okay, the first number 453. Children, listen. This question nearest 100. Okay, last question nearest 10. But this question nearest 100. Okay, so first, how many digits are given? 3 digits. Okay, so 3 digits. Children, listen. First, find out the places. So first place 453. The first place ones, the second place tens, the third place hundreds. Okay. First we write the place values. So ones, tens, hundreds. So this goes to nearest 100. Okay. So circle the 100 place number. Okay. Circle the 100 place number. So 100 place number is 4. Okay. So circle it. Next, we look at the tens place number. Okay, we look at the tens place number. What is the tens place number? 5. Okay, children, listen. 5 is greater than 5 or less than 5 or equal 5? Equal. Okay, so if we add 1 to the 100 place. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. This number, tens place number, equal 5. Okay. So if we add 1 to the 100 place. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Tens place and ones place numbers will become 0. Okay. Children, listen. 453. The first place ones, the second place tens, the third place hundreds. This goes to nearest 100. Okay. So we circle the number 100. Okay. So 100 place number 4. So circle it. Okay. Next we look at the tens place number. So tens place number is 5. So this 5 equal 5. Okay. This number is 5. So if we add 1 to the 100 place. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. Tens place and ones place numbers will become 0. Okay. So 453 nearest 100 is 500. Okay. Next one. The next number 673. Okay. This goes to nearest 100. So first we find out the place values. So we will write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. This number 673. So this goes to nearest 100. Okay. We find out the nearest 100. So circle the 100 place number. 100 place number is 6. Next we look at the tens place number. So tens place number 7. So 7 is greater than 5. Okay. 7 is greater than 5. So this number greater than 5, we add 1 to the 100 place. Okay. This number is greater than tens place number greater than 5. So we add 1 to the 100 place. So 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Tens place number and ones place number will become 0. So tens place number and ones place number will become 0. So the nearest 100, 700. Okay. Next one. 523. Children, first we circle the 100 place number. Okay. From the right, the first place ones, the second place tens, the third place hundreds. So circle the 100 place number. Next we look at the ones tens place number. So tens place number is 2. So stay same. So 5, next tens place number and ones place number will become 0. So 523, nearest 100, 500. Children listen, this number 673, the tens place number greater than 5. So we add 1 to the 100 place. Next tens place and ones place number will become 0. But this number, tens place number 2. This number less than 5. So this number less than 5. So 100 place number stays the same. Tens place number and ones place number will become 0. Okay. Dear students, next look at the next slide. Worksheet number 27. This same method. Okay. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. A answer already done for you. Next, this method. Okay. Children, so this one homework. Worksheet 27 homework. Okay. Look at the board now. Children, what did we learn today? What did we learn today? So today we learned about round the numbers to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay. Did you understand? Did you understand the all topic? Okay children. See you next class.